She truly represents the unique characteristic of every Filipina that is always ready to conquer supremacy. Her achievements includes being a 4-time world bowling champion and a 14-time Asian champion. The Filipinas' brand of courage and excellence is truly reflected on her as a former athlete. Now as a public servant, she is guided by her sworn duty to get the best out of the limitless potential of the Filipina athletes. Everyone, I proudly introduce Commissioner Olivia Bong Cu.
Our Filipino athletes have lifted the spirits of the entire country. We have overcome not only formidable opponents, but also fought against the set expectations of society. Using sport as a platform, we rode against the tide of traditions and carved a place in history. Or should I say, her story. To the awardees, this is not just your moment. This is the moment of every young girl who watches you, who believes that she can too. You are more than champions. You are trailblazers, a beacon of hope and inspiration. And with each step you take, you pave way for the next generations of Filipina athletes. So as you receive your awards, hold them with pride, not just for yourselves, but for those who came before you, for those who stand beside you, and for those who will one day take your place. You are the embodiment of fierce, empowered, and unstoppable spirit of a Filipino. Mabuhay ang mga pidang babaeng lalaki.
Pero ang pangako ni Leslie sa ating lahat, walang hinto hanggat walang hinto.
Palagpakan naman natin our Athlete of the Year. For Women in Sports, congratulations. Leslie Vitesio. Mixing mensahe para